Let's say engine number 9 together. Ready, say, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. That was a great speaking voice. Now we'll use our spinner to tell us which voice to use next. Our calling voice. I might stop saying the words, but you have to finish it. Here you go. Engine number 9. Great job. Let's see what's next. Slow. Ready, say. Engine. Great job. Let's try one more. Oh, our favorite, fast. Get ready. Remember baby steps if you're being a train. Here you go. Engine number 9, going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, will I get my money back? Yes, no, maybe so. Great job.